So we've got the if function, and again, a very popular one. I use it all the time. We're going to take a look at another type of if, but this time we're going to incorporate count. I want to be able to count some values in some range if a specific condition is true. Take a look. Still on the if function worksheet, right here, we've got cell F12, right there. Current number of salespeople who have reached their goal. So how do we know if somebody's reached their goal? Right? We found that earlier. We used the if to give us the value of yes or no based on their total compared against the I2 cell or the goal cell. Now all I want to do here is count the yeses. If it equals yes in this range, then count it. If it's no, then forget about it, right? We don't care about that. Now, once again, we've only got 5 records there, so it's not hard to say 1, 2, 3. But if you've got hundreds or thousands of records, the COUNTIF function will allow you to count a range based on a condition. Take a look. So I'm going to go to F12, and I'm just going to type this one in. I'm going to say equals COUNTIF. There it is. There's also, in the newer editions of Excel, I think it was 2013 when this one came out, you've also got COUNTIFs, where you can specify multiple conditions. All right, for this one, we're going to use just a plain COUNTIF. I'm going to give that a double click. That'll open up the parentheses for me. And it's got 2 arguments, 2 pieces of information that it needs from us in order for it to count if something's true. So the first thing, it wants to know the range. Where do you want to count? So I'm just going to grab H5 to H9. That's the range I want, comma. Now what is it that you want to count? I want to count the yeses. So inside of quotes, double quotes, I'm going to put the word yes. I'll close the parentheses, hit my enter key, and we've got our 3. Count this range if this is true. That's pretty cool. You could do this, again, we only got 5 records, but you got hundreds or thousands of records. You specify the range and what you want to count, and it does the rest for you. Make sure you try it out.